today I have a service call on one of this rooftop unit, no heat. So you see it's really a bit windy and it's really cold with snow. So take my unit. It should be this guy. See? Yeah, it's gonna be this guy. Might be not bad, but let's see. So just take a look. It's really windy here. Let's take a look. You can see the snow. Okay, so we're gonna just dive in and see what's going on. Thank you. So just open the panel. I don't see anything wrong here, but there is no power here. It doesn't seem like anything is happening here, so I'm just gonna use my voltmeter here. So here's my voltmeter, and then okay, so just hook up and I'm going to just read. This should be incoming 600 volts. I don't have 2 ground. Don't have any of that coming up. There's no power here. So yeah, here's my switch. It said it's on. So you may have a trip up downstairs. So I'm gonna go back to the store and then see my breaker. If it went up, before I go, I'm gonna have to open my bonus section and check what's going on from the bonus section, just to make sure nothing is burnt and it won't trip again. So before I go, I'm going to turn off that turn off this breaker here, turn this switch off here. So when I come back, I should be able to again read it and see if there's power. So hold on one sec. So here's my bonus section. Check my vent motor. It looks good. Don't see any sign of burnt, and my control board, heating control board, and the burner all seems to be okay. So here's my blower motor. Also seems not to be bad. I don't see anything wrong here, but okay, so I'm gonna dive into and see why this unit why it's tripping off. See why it's tripping off. Okay, so just want to check my filter, air filter sections. Let's see. So this is 20 by 25 by 2. So yeah, my filter is dirty, but that's not a reason for the trip off. I just want to make sure when all is done, I should change the air filter. So I have 20 by 25 by 2 in there. So well, I'm gonna have to go back to the electrical room to reset this unit and bring it back on, and then I'll begin to use my amps and take my meter reading, take amps reading, and then I will get back to you and let you know what's going on. Okay, so I just reset my breaker. It's 20 amps, 3 pole. It says here 5, 7, 9, and 11 is HVAC. Okay, so I just did that. So just reset it here, and I'm gonna go up on the roof. Thank you. So I just turned on the unit and see my blower running. So you can see my blower is 3 amps. So I'm gonna have to take it. Yeah, you can see I got a flame here. So because there's a call for heat. But however, I'm gonna check why I'm having my power tripping off. Remember, this is a 600 volt appliance, so it's tripping off on the high voltage side. So it means the problem is in the high voltage side. So I'm gonna have to check my contactor. So this is my contactor. So So I'm going to take amps reading here and take amps reading at the motor, and then I'm going to see where it's pulling much amps, and then I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I put my amps meter on one of the lead. See, I'm getting 2.10. Though the motor, at the motor here, it says 3 amps. So I'm going to show it to you. See, at the motor here, look at it, it says 3 amps. 3 amps here. So, though I'm getting less now, but why is it tripping off? I'm going to have to look and see more. Okay, so at this time my compressor is not running because this is winter time. So I'm going to eliminate compressor, so it's not compressor problem. So it's just going to be, the problem is just going to be lying on the blower motor, the contactor, and again my vent motor is okay, even though it's 600 volts. But it's okay because if it was bad, then it would just not be able to turn on the heat. So as long as the heat is coming on, so the vent motor is okay. So I check all the 3 leads and I take amps on all the leads, and they all seems to be running okay. So the fact that now I have a good amps reading, it does not mean that anytime the amps might fluctuate, if anything does fluctuate, so it's going to trip off again. So I think I'm going to have to change this contactor. I'm suspecting this contactor might be pulling higher amps, and that may cause my 600 volt tripping off. Other than that, I don't really see anything at this time that could be the problem. So I'm going to have to change that contactor, and this unit should come back on really fine. So again, please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical Systems, and I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here is a new contactor that I will be using to replace this blower contactor. So make sure you are matching it same, and also when you are changing the wire, make sure you're putting it properly. Do it properly. Okay, so I'm just gonna change this, and I will also change my air filter. Well, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so just change my contactor, and here is the old contactor, and again here's the new air filter. You can see the new air filter and the old air filter, so it's all changed. So I'm gonna turn on the unit in a bit, and we'll see. You can see it's really windy all day, very windy, and then a lot of snow blowing here.